Hi, my name is Alexandrine Goujon and I'm studying business management at UNSIC College in Montreal. Today I will show you a website that can change your life. Yes, change your life, because when you are in a business management program, you need to know how to write a professional email. So, first of all, you need to go on. I think you can go there. Oh yeah. virtualwritingtutor.com. You will arrive in this page. In this page, you have the word count, check grammar, and check punctuation. That is the best 3 buttons that we have. So there you can write everything you want. So I already wrote something like this. So if I go on check grammar, click on the button, it will show you a new part of the website, and it's written the word counts, the paragraph counts, the error counts, and the error density in your text. So I have 3 errors. My errors are Thursday, 1 p.m. and another Thursday. So this is the reason why you did the error. This is the type error and this is the correction. So if you check closely, you can see Thursday it's with a capital T, and there you need to have a space between 1 and P and a period between P and M. This is all my grammar errors, so I will correct this now. And a space and a like this. Check grammar. What capital letter? Oh, I forgot. There. Yeah. So 0 error. After, you can check your punctuation. 0 error. That's great. So this is how works Virtual Writing Tutor. It is really good because you can write like 100, yeah, I think. What? No, 1,000 word in this, and it will correct the grammar and the punctuation by themselves. So you just click on the button check grammar to check grammar, and click on the button check punctuation. So this is free, available in every program. Just write virtualwritingtutor.com, and it's free, so you don't need to pay to have access to this website. So it can really change your life when you are not that good in English and you need to write a professional email to a colleague, a boss, or a employee. So this is the best address that you can find to correct your error.